internal organs. Same previous lesson. Continue. Already we have learned about which are the internal organs we have learned. Already we had studied about brain. Brain helps us to remember and think. Heart, it is a pumping house. It pumps the blood to all parts of our body. And third is lungs. It purifies the air and we take the oxygen and leave out the carbon dioxide. And very next important is one more organ, that is what? Can you tell me, children? Yes, that is kidney. Yes. Have you seen the kidney? No? Yes. Can you see this image? This is how our kidney will be. This is how our kidney will be. And it's in bean shape. Have you seen Mama will bring Rajma and all in the kitchen? If you had visited the kitchen in your house, you can see the kidney bean. It will be in a kidney shape. We have two kidneys. It is in bean shape. How it is? It is in bean shape. They are just behind the stomach and the spine. S-P-I-N-E. Spine. S-P-I-N-E. Spine. Spine is nothing but, they have spelled spine is nothing but spinal cord. Spinal cord and the bending in the bule. Will be having a jointed bones. Bending there. If you take your hand, just touch at your back. You can feel a bone joint. Now neck in the kedage observe madidira. That is nothing but a spine. It is next left here only. Next to stomach, we have got a kidney. Okay, many times we have heard about kidney. What is that? Here, kidney helps to pure the blood. Purification of blood is done in kidney. Do you know how it is done, children? Just we'll do small experiment how the blood purifies. Heart pumps the blood. Here, kidney purifies the blood. Do you know how? Let us have small experiment how the blood is purified in kidney. Okay. And remaining what will happen, we'll see now. Now, have you seen Mama has prepared a tea at home? No? Now let us prepare a tea now. This is what? It is a cup. Now, I'll take a water and I just pour it in it. Have you seen here? Just it is a plain pure water. Now I'll put few tea dust to it. Now can you see here closely? It is mixing up. Can you see here? Yes. The water is mixing up. Changes can you observe, isn't it? Now, I'll be mixing. Have you seen here, children? I have mixed all the paste and all. It is getting settling down and only pure it is. Pure tea powder. Tea powder is settling down and the liquid is, can you see, upper part. But still it is not purified, isn't it? Now we will show how the purified is done. What is this? Can you say? It is a filter. Now I am going to filter it. Can you see? I am filtering. entering it. Got it? What do you observe here, children? Can you tell me here? What do you observe? Here, what the tea I have made, it is filtered and pure it is, isn't it? And can you see here down below part? It is a waste, that is tea dust you can see. Here, very important is that kidney also pures the blood like this and removes the waste from our body. As it removes, it passes through a urine. Got it? So here, this experiment shows that in the kidney purification, blood purification is done and removes the waste. Got it, children? The small experiment shows that how the kidney helps in purifying the blood. Got it, children? Yes. They filter the blood and remove the waste from the body. Got it? Yes. Have you understood? Kidney's function is to purify the blood and removes the waste. You can see here a small image of the kidney. Got it? Here. Got it, children? Yes, its main function is to purify the blood and removes the waste. Got it? Now, let us move on to the next internal organ. What is that? What is the next internal organ? Do you remember? Already I said in the first class everything. What is the internal organs and all? Yes. Any one of you children? Stomach. Yes. Have you seen the stomach? How it is? S-T-O-M-A-C-H. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Stomach. When do you remember stomach, children? Can you tell me? Anybody? One at a time. When do you remember? Huh? Yes. Oh, I'm feeling hungry. Oh, taste it. I'm bittane na. Tumbane oh, taste it. Lunch period agila. Bedodila. Eಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಸಿಕ್ತಿದೆ. You remember, isn't it? Yes. When you feel hungry, you think about your tummy. Tummy is nothing but stomach. Feeling hungry, isn't it? When you feel hungry, you never say what is there, what is not there. You eat nicely, isn't it? Yes. This is our stomach. Stomach where we eat the food. So, let us move on to the journey of food. Can you see here? Can you see the picture here? It is a human being picture. This is a mouth. There are two pipes. That is, one is food pipe and a air pipe. So, food we eat from the mouth. It comes here, and fills here. This is a, what is this? Stomach. How it is? It is in a J shape. Okay. It is in a J shape. Got it? This is our stomach. Can you see here? Yes. Now you can see the big image of the stomach. Can you see here? Food we intake through the food pipe and it slowly gets down from the throat, mixing up with the saliva. Saliva it is a water in the mouth. And the jollu and the head aita aduna saliva will say. Got it? So it mixed up. And only food part only will chew, children. When it is time up, you never chew the food. Just you will eat. You will swallow. You will swallow. And you will run and come to the class or wherever you want to go, you will go. But very important is that when you eat the food, you have to chew slowly and neatly. Got it? Slowly and neat and clean. It should be nicely like a paste. When mama makes chutney and all, have you seen in the mixer how it will be? She put mixie, but it will be thin paste like, isn't it? Yes. Here also you have to chew in your with the help of the teeth. But you are not chewing, just swallowing. Nungade, nungadu, nungadu. You are swallowing. So don't do like that. Chew, but maximum you chew here. But still, it food get not chewed properly. And the channa agdirala nivu. So it will go to the throat. From the food pipe, it goes down. Where it goes to your favorite part, tummy. That is stomach, isn't it? Yes, it enters to the stomach. There, in the stomach, there also wet part will be there inside the stomach. Saliva and all will be there. So food get mixed up there and breaks into small pieces. Again, it get digested. When you get, have you seen you get the burp? How many of them have got the burp? Do you know what is the meaning of burp? Burp means tegu. Yes. When food get digested, we use the word burp. That is like that, isn't it? Yes, that is a burping sound. When food is digested only, we get the burp sound. So here in our tummy, it gets break down into small pieces. So it takes around 4 hours, children. How many hours? 4 hours to break down the food. Got it? So very important is in our tummy, food get digested. So always eat healthy food and chew nicely so that food will get digested easily. And you won't get stomach pain, ear pain, there pain, and no pains and all. No pain, nothing. When you eat healthy food and chew properly, no pain. So today's 2 internal organs you have studied about. One is about kidney. It purifies the blood and removes the waste. Second one, next one is stomach, where food get digested. Stomach function is to, yes children, yes, where it takes the digestion. Okay, you got it children?